Hi everyone, I'm Jassyy, also known as Jassyy Fizzle, and today I am doing an unboxing video of Jassyy nails. So I'm going to run through that with you guys, and hopefully it will benefit a lot of you to also use sticker nails, especially if you're a content creator like me. The first step is to find the talon sizes that fit you best and lay them out in order. Okay, so I've done that. The next step is to buff your nails. See, they're looking, you know, shiny. So the next step is to clean and dry each nail with the alcohol wipe. So yeah, nearly there. Now, what this applicator is supposed to be is it's supposed to just push your cuticles back. Make sure that they're all neat. Okay, so I'm going to show you the sticker application. Obviously, you've got different sizes for different sized nails, and I'm going to do my thumb first. So you peel off this thin layer of plastic and you try and match it up with what fits your nail size. So I am going with this one for the thumb. You literally place it on the thumb, and what I do is I like to press evenly. You press really hard. Then what should happen is, so see that it's on. So once it's secured though, what it should do is it should just lift off and leave the sticker glue on your nail. And then what I do is, I'll show you guys. So I place it on the nail and then I press down on all areas of the nail where the sticker is. See, one nail down and the rest to go. And that is it. That's how you do the Jassyy nails application process. Whatever you need to look bougie for, a photo shoot, making content, going to the club, whatever it is, Jassyy nails has got you. So thank you, Jassyy, for my beautiful claws, my talons. Anyways, take care. I'm sending everyone love. Love, Jassyy Fizzle.